Hello folks, I am in the process of testing out a new trading model and I thought that I could see how it handles a demo prop firm trial. You will see some of the trades that I have taken, and at the end I will show you the results of the challenge. I have decided that I will go with a $10,000 account. I'm just showing you the dashboard before I take any trades. I will be taking the trades via MetaTrader 4 as it is linked to the prop firm account. This is the first trade of day one. The model is basically using dealing ranges from the 15-minute time frame up to the 4-hour time frame. I will be entering trades when there is a change in the state of delivery after a liquidity run or after an imbalance has been filled. The targets will be internal or external range liquidity, depending on what the setup provides. These are the profits after the trade. This concludes the first day of the challenge. This is day 2 of the challenge. This trade was based on the 15-minute dealing range. At equilibrium of the range, there was a fair value gap that price could trade up to. If it still has a lot of steam, it could go for external range liquidity. After I took the trade, something came up and I had to leave the trade unattended. I set my take profit and I could not monitor the trade. At the fair value gap, I would have taken a partial if I were in front of the screen. This one is for my journal. Note to self. Next time, rather close the trade if occupied or don't be too overzealous with the target. At 10, there was a news driver that would take me out of the trade. As you will see, price tends to be sloppy or choppy before news release. This is why it's better to wait for the news release first. Took a loss on this one and a couple others during the course of the trial. On to the next. Let's go. This is day 3. This trade was based off a 15-minute time frame dealing range. At the discount level of the range, there was a 5-minute change in the state of delivery after an internal range liquidity run. I entered the trade and used the external range liquidity as the target, and the draw was a 1-hour fair value gap of the bigger range that I was trading within. I took major partials and let the rest run after moving my stop loss to break even. This is the dashboard after all the trades were taken. This is a beautiful equity curve. It's not immaculate, but this is what I like to see. No super aggressive peaks and troughs. As you can see, the minimum trading days is currently 4. I need to trade for 5 days to pass, even if I place a very small trade and then close it immediately. I don't want to be working on this project next week, so I thought I would just upload as is. I was not going for huge risk to reward ratios. A 1-to-1 was good enough for me. As you can see, the win rate is not excellent. This is because there were a couple of trades that I closed while they were in a small drawdown, simply because I did not like how price was struggling under high resistance liquidity conditions. Here is the list of all the positions taken, all the wins and losses. I hope this will inspire you to practice for the prop firm challenges, just so that you can get a feel for things. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.